Hey folks, just want to give you a quick tutorial on how to access your feedback on assignments, okay? So this is the one time it actually, I think, helps to go to the assessment tab, because if you don't, it'll try to have you submit another assignment. And that's not what we want to do here. So once you've gotten heads up that a grade's been put in or that there's feedback available for you, just go here, go to assessment, go to assignments, and it will load. And you'll see one submission, one file, one submission, one file, and then over here there'll be evaluation status. So feedback unread. So SA1, feedback unread. So you go and click right on that. It's going to show you a couple different things here, okay? So number one, it is going to show you the rubric, and it will tell you level 1, 2, or 3, okay? And this is just weak, kind of middle of the road, and good and strong. Okay, so if you've got some in the middle of the road, or if you've got some in level 1, those are things you want to pay particular attention to as things you need to come back and address. Okay, so come down. Overall score level 1, 2, or 3. Don't even worry about that. I'm going to try to get it out of there altogether, but right now it's still there. So if you see it, just ignore it. So level 1, 2, or 3, for each individual category, pay attention to what you do well on, what you don't do well on. There will be a score here. So check your score, obviously. And then down here, it'll say inline feedback, view inline feedback. So you can go to view inline feedback. And this will actually pull up a copy of your essay with comments in it. So right here, you can just hover over these. It'll say everything you want. You can also, if you come up to the upper right hand corner, you can print this. It's or save it. It's a PDF. You can go to download, which is the upper right hand corner as well, and it's a tiny bit off your screen there, but you'll see that icon too. So you can download it, you can print it, whatever you want to do, and it will download with all those comments, so you can just save a copy on your computer if you desire. Okay, but you'll get to see sort of outside of comments as you work your way through the paper. Okay, if you've got any questions, as always, don't hesitate to let me know.